Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a researcher, healthcare professional dreaming of publishing in international journal, this video is for you, and welcome back again. And in our today's video, we'll try to see how to choose the right journal for your research paper and avoid desk rejection. The truth is that many research papers are rejected before they even reach peer reviewers, not because of the science is poor, but because they were submitted to the wrong journal. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to choose the right journal for your research paper using the same practical approach that helped me to publish my research in international journal. So, why choosing the right journal matters? Choosing the right journal is one of the most important decisions you will make after completing your research. The right journal means your manuscript reaches the right audience, has a better chance of passing editorial screening, and move more efficiently through peer review process. On the other hand, choosing the wrong journal often leads to immediate desk rejection, wasting valuable time. Step 1. Match your study to the journal scope. The first thing every researcher should check is the journal scope. Every journal explains the types of studies it publishes. For example, if your research focuses on the maternal health, pregnancy, obstetrics, submitting to the journal that specializes in this area gives you much higher chance of success than submitting to broad medical journal. Never submit your paper before reading the journal aim and the scope. And the step which is next is step 2. Read recently published paper. Before submitting your manuscript, read at least 10 articles published within the last year. Ask yourself, does my study answer similar question? Is my research methodology similar with the reader of this journal? Find my work useful? If this answer is yes, you are likely targeting the right journal. And step 3 is checking journal reputation. Not all journals are trustworthy. Choose journals that are indexed in respected database such as PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science. Avoid journals that promise publication within few days and send a lot of spam email inviting you to submit. This is predatory journal or false journal which is not indexed in the database. The other common warning sign of predatory journal are repeated email. Step 4 is reading the author guideline carefully. Many papers are simply rejected because the author ignored journal instruction. If you didn't adhere to the journal word limit, reference style, figure and table requirement, reporting guideline, and formatting requirement, it will not be accepted. A well-prepared manuscript creates a strong first impression before going to the peer review. The other is we have to consider review time and the publication fee as fifth step. We have the same journal takes several months to complete peer review, while others are much faster. Also check whether journal charge, publication fee, and whether the fee waiver are available if needed. Knowing this detail before submission can save time and prevent unexpected costs. The other is don't focus on the impact factor. Many researchers think highest impact plus journal always best choice. That's not true. A journal closely match your research topic often gives you much chance of publication than the famous journal outside of your field. Choose the relevance over the prestige of the journal. The other is I will share my personal experience, and we'll talk about this in the next video about my experience and how I published my paper in the first time. And at the end of this video, you have to check the journal fitting scope. The second is reading the article. The other is journal repeatability indexing, followed by author guidelines. So if you follow this, you have high chance of publication. And in our next video, we will see about the way we prepare the manuscript, as well as the other deep science, how can we select the journal. Before coming with the next video, bye bye, have a nice time.